Okay, hi guys. I'm here in the orange slab yard and I'm trying to clean some Magnifica slabs. I've had this product in my home for over a year, so I know what works and what doesn't. And I was at a fabricator's facility this morning and I helped them clean off some of the Calcutta Super White. And you need these Scotch-Brite Dobie scrub pads. These are really, really effective because it cleans without scratching it. And then you also need this Barkeeper's Friend. Together, using this with water, you can get most of the stains out. I would stop using the Goof Off because it's causing staining actually, and then if you need to get that out, you can still use this. Mr. Clean is another great product. So that's what you need to be doing, and I'll just show you a little bit of how I do it. So we'll take some water, put some of this, and be liberal about using how much you're going to use, and then you're just going to clean the slab. And it pretty much can get all of, if there's black spots, if there's swirl marks, lines. It takes a lot of elbow grease, and Stone Peak will be refunding us for the amount of labor, so you guys will need to keep track of that. I have my little helper here with me today. But this really will get out most of the staining that we're seeing. Because what happened is when they were producing it, dust got into the production line. So on future production lines, we won't have this problem, but we're gonna need to just kind of work through this. So thanks you guys. If you have questions, shoot me an email or text. Thanks.